Hello friends, welcome to Hostshare. I'm very excited to show you a very powerful tools of your cPanel. cPanel is very popular especially for this tool that is called File Manager. Most programmers knows very well how powerful the cPanel File Manager is. You can edit, update, delete, upload everything you can do with this tool very easily. I'm introducing the only one task, that is how can you create or edit a .html file or .php file inside the file manager of your cPanel. If you don't find this file manager tool in your cPanel, you just type here file. It will show you this icon with this file manager name. Click here and it will open in new tab in your browser. You see, here is the files inside your hosting panel. All files are here. You see, here is a file called default.htm. Also, here is a file called index.php. It's a very simple tutorial, very simple things inside a file manager of cPanel. Before that, I'm going to create a HTML file called .html inside the public underscore HTML. If you scroll down, then I can see this. Just left click on this and right click and use the edit tool. It's a blank file, so it is not showing anything. I'm going to type something. You see, when I type html tag, automatically the end tag generated. You don't need to type all end tag. Again, head, same. Again, title, same. And then I'm going to type body. So it's a nice tools to edit or update your HTML file inside your live server. After update your text inside the code editor, you can just click on this right corner save changes button, then it's saved. If I want to see this, just go to my domain slash test.html. You see the page is loaded properly. For proper understanding, I'm updating the body h2 and you save changes and reload this page. You see the page has updated nicely. Hope you understand. It's a very simple thing. Now I'm going to show you .php file. Just create a PHP file, find it inside the file manager and click on edit. This is a new file and blank file, so I can type PHP code here. It's a string code. Welcome to hostshare.com. You see, I type just cPanel echo here and save the file and load it here test.php. You see, it's working fine. If I want to update it with h3 tag, it should be a tag. Save changes, reload this page, it becomes h3 tag. Since it's a very nice thing to update your live code very easily, but your computer is secure, then you can do it very easily here. Hope you understand. And another thing I need to inform you, that is, this is the file location showing at the top which file are we editing, and this is the encoding type, several encoding type here, but it is advanced things we'll show you in later. And here is a button. You may ask, what is this? It's a legacy editor. When the cPanel started their project to provide us this control panel, this editor was nice one, but later on they updated to the latest editor. It's just editor things, functions are changes. You see another thing, if I save the file name with .html, automatically the editor type becomes HTML. And if I type or save the file name with .php, then it showed PHP automatically. You don't need to assign the language here. You can change the font. It's just code view font size. You can undo, redo, and you can go to the line number. If you want to go to the line number 5, you can easily go there. Before that, I have to create the line number 4. So see, I'm in this place. If I want to go to line number 4, then it comes here. You understand? Same way, using this tool, you can go to line number 2. Okay, cursor will go there. If you want to search something here, you just type, it will show you 6 event happening here. Okay, understand? Okay, you can also replace with this word. You can replace one, or you can replace all. See, all text are replaced. Then just save and reload the page. It's been updated. So that's it. Thank you very much.